Alam niyo po ba, si Cheska requested for a time off. Cheska Garcia and Dog Kramer. 16 years in the marriage. Alam niyo po, hindi porket 16 years ay sobrang easy at ganda ng kanilang relasyon. Nakikita natin very active sa social media ang pamilyang ito. In fact, meron silang 3 anak at kilalang-kilala natin lalong-lalo na yung kanilang panganay na si Kendra Kramer. Initially, masasabi nga natin na, 16 years, maganda yung takbo ng kanilang relationship. Alam niyo po ba, there was a point in their married life na naghiwalay sila ng 2 months dahil si Cheska requested for a time off. Bakit? Well, hindi na i-share ang detalye ng dahilan kung bakit nanghihingi siya ng time off. Pero the bottom line there is, after 2 months, Cheska realized na she still wants their family intact. And you know what, Breelers? That's really common for a lot of people. Most of the time kasi, syempre, when we get into that vow in a marriage, hindi naman natin masasabi na everything will be smooth and perfect. Definitely not. But the thing is, with Cheska and Dog, alam nyo, sila ay normal na tao din. And at some point, tulad nga ni Cheska, you really have to wonder and assess kung masaya ka ba sa relasyon na to, nagagawa mo ba yung purpose mo, are you being authentic or true to yourself? All these things matters. And I should say na I am happy na dumaan ang mag-asawang ito sa aspeto ng buhay nila dahil, well, again, as of this time, they are in a 16-year relationship and the relationship of the family is stronger. Very particular nga, sinasabi openly ni Cheska na si Dog ang nanghihila sa kanya para mas mapaganda pa ang relationship niya kay God. They are also very vocal about their family secret, and that is putting God in the center of the relationship.